partner in crime and co-founder, Katrin, sitting over here. She's the inventor of this t-shirt and many other things. I want to talk to you just briefly about 5blocksout. It's an online community where people share what they know about their neighborhoods with other people across the city. And the idea behind this is really the lost in the big city problem. The fact that we can live in a city the size and density of Toronto, be surrounded by great people, great places, and yet be unable to find the specific kind of place we're looking for at any moment in time, or to keep track of what's happening with that place. I'm going to go ahead and sign in here. And I want to dive right in and show you something we call missions. The idea behind the mission is you can ask other people for help answering questions about the city. So it's people seeking places. And what I'm showing you here is really my favorite mission on the site right now. Where do you like going out for a drink? If I had this when I moved to Toronto 4 years ago, I probably would have used this as my neighborhood finder. What I've done is invite a bunch of friends to join me on the mission, about 25 different people. I also made it public so anyone else on the site could add answers. And I've got so far 27 different answers on the mission. An answer here means a place. So in this case, it's a lot of clubs and pubs. People can add them, vote on them, sort of Stack Overflow style. They can comment as well. That's what the opinions piece is you can see here. And then you can actually go a step further and filter by location. So I'm going to type in Montrose Avenue in College. That's the intersection right near where I used to live in Little Italy. And what just happened there was we geocoded that, went and pivoted on that address, and brought back 12 of the answers that are actually within walking distance. You can do that with a neighborhood name as well. We've actually geocoded about 180 different neighborhoods in Toronto. There are more, we're getting to them. Here I found 8 answers within walking distance of suspects. Now if I wanted to add something to my mission, I could go ahead and do that. I'm hoping friends will do that for me, but in this case I'll just show you how it works. I'm typing in the name of a little pub called Gattonero that's in Little Italy, and this place is just around the corner from where I used to live. You can see here I can add a comment, some keywords. I've already commented on the pub elsewhere on the site, that's why this is showing up. I could change it there if I wanted to, but instead I've just gone ahead and added it. And we can see now it's showing up in the mission list with my one vote and my opinion. If I click on that, I'll actually see not just what I've said about it, but also what Katrin or anyone else who's commented on the pub and is also in this mission has said. So that's the idea. You're effectively thin slicing some aspect of the city. In this case, I wanted to know about where to go for drinks. There are tons of things you could do. Here's one on local food shopping. This is not Yellow Pages. It's real people saying what they think about some narrow aspect of the city, and then voting that up and down collaboratively. In this case, the sweet potato bubble at the top of the list. It's a great organic food store in the Junction. I can click into opinions, see what people are saying about it, see what their votes are as well. We're not just doing commercial places. A lot of people are doing hyper-local with businesses. And that's interesting to us, but we also think that parks and beaches and libraries and schools and daycare centers are very important parts of neighborhoods and parts of the city. And so you can see here in this mission, for my friend Chris, a Great Spring Saturday, we've got Trinity Bellwoods Park, a beach, Evergreen Brickworks showing up. That's something we work pretty hard on in 5blocksout, and while we're always adding data, there's always more we want to put in. The next thing I want to show you is just really quickly a list of active missions, give you a sense of what people are doing. This is kind of fun. You get some pretty crazy stuff coming in. Number 3 on the list, Tori, I'm a hairy monster. Can you suggest a gentle esthetician? I'm not going to provide answers on that one. Bloor down here, this one is actually interesting to me. Indoor winter fun with small kidlets. Our daughter is almost a year old. That's the mission I'm going to click on, and it actually will help me in my daily life. So missions are one slice of what we've got on 5blocksout. We've also got a dimension around neighborhoods. And we think that neighborhoods are really important, not just to wayfinding in a city, but they're hubs for knowledge and hubs for communities. We're just showing you quickly a map here of the neighborhoods that we've actually entered into the site. I'm going to click on Roncesvalles since that's where I live these days. And what you'll see when this comes up is an aggregation of lots of little nuggets of what we know about Roncesvalles. This is a collection of photos people have added, comments they're making on places in Roncesvalles. We've got missions that are active in an area. And then along the top, these are the two parts I like best. Meet the Locals shows you who is following the neighborhood, and you yourself can follow. And by follow, I mean Twitter-style follow. So if I go now to my homepage, I can see a news flow of what people are up to in terms of their activity in neighborhoods. And the next thing we're going to do, integrate that back with the neighborhood itself, is bring in not just people I'm following, but neighborhood activity as well. There's a lot more we want to do. We think of this as a platform, and we're ready to add more. So if you have ideas, we welcome them. This is where you can find us. Sorry about the alignment here. My my resolution kind of got me screwed up. But check out our site. Ask for an invitation. We'd love to have you on there. It's limited preview right now, so invite only for now. And here's some places you can find us. Thank you very much.